Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python using AI. First, choose an AI-powered learning platform like Codecademy's AI features or Google's Bard. These tools offer personalized guidance, adapting to your learning pace and style. They can generate custom exercises and provide immediate feedback on your code, helping you understand concepts faster. This approach makes learning Python accessible and highly effective for everyone, even those with no prior programming experience. AI can be an incredible assistant for understanding and writing Python code. You can ask an AI to generate a Python script for a specific task, like data analysis or web scraping. It can also break down complex functions or entire modules into easily digestible explanations. Furthermore, AI tools can help you refactor your existing code, suggesting more efficient or Pythonic ways to achieve your goals. This accelerates your learning by providing immediate, tailored insights. Consistent practice is key, and AI provides invaluable feedback. When you write Python code, submit it to an AI tool for instant analysis. It will pinpoint syntax errors, logical flaws, and even potential bugs, offering precise suggestions for correction. This immediate feedback loop is far more efficient than waiting for a human instructor. You can iterate on your code multiple times, learning from each mistake and solidifying your understanding of Python concepts. Beyond the basics, AI can elevate your Python skills to an advanced level. Utilize AI to explore complex libraries like NumPy or Pandas through custom-generated tutorials and examples. You can even simulate real-world projects, allowing you to practice problem-solving in a practical context. AI can also recommend tailored learning paths based on your progress and interests, ensuring continuous growth. It's like having a personal Python mentor, available 24 hours a day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.